Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how I ruined my nails. Basically, they went from looking like this to this. Yeah, pretty bad, I know, but I'm gonna explain to you guys how this happened. So I feel like the decline started a few months ago when I went to a nail salon in LA. I had some acrylics done and I did notice that they did a lot of cuticle prep using an e-file, and ultimately that left me with a dent on my nail. And I do want to make it clear, this isn't what ruined my nails, but it is just something that kind of bugged me, having a dent in my nail plate. So fast forward, you guys know that I film my nails a lot, but what you don't know is sometimes I do have to refilm a lot too. So recently I did a dip powder video, and when you do dip powders you have to prep your nails with filing, pushing back your cuticles, things like that. And I ended up refilming this video 3 different times within probably like 48 hours. So I was prepping, I was doing the application, removing it, and it was just way too much on my nails. So this is pretty much what ruined my nails, and the reason I kept redoing this video in particular is because the first time I didn't like the color I chose, and the second time I did a really weird shape, and then by the third time that's when I had a result that I liked. So another thing I want to make clear is it's not the products that can ruin your nails. So like acrylics, dip powders, gel, that doesn't ruin your nails, but how you treat the products can. And for me, I was just overusing it basically. So after this video, I was still trying out new products, I was filming, and I just never gave my nails a break. And over time, I could definitely tell that my nail plate felt thinner and my nails were just overall weaker. So when I first cut my nails short, it was about a month ago, right before I filmed this dip video. And at that point, it was just because I broke a nail. They were still really healthy. But as they grew back, that's when I noticed that something was wrong, because it was actually starting to lift away from my nail bed. So you can see that even though my nails are short right here, the white part was still pretty big because, again, my nail plate was loosening up from my nail bed. This is known as onycholysis or onycholysis. I've heard it said multiple ways. So in my case, this was caused by overusing nail products and then also nail trauma, because as they were weaker, I was still accidentally like hitting them into things. So at this point, I just cut them off to get rid of as much of the lifted part as I could. So this photo was taken 6 days ago, and this is what my nails currently look like today. It is May 27th, and since that photo I just showed you guys, I have not done a single thing except for file my nails down a little bit. So this is what they're looking like. You can see the dent that I was talking about earlier. But yeah, they already look so much better, and this is only after 6 days. I haven't used any products on them for a week now. But moving forward, starting today, I'm going to be doing a really simple nail care routine, and I'm going to be using this Nails Inc. Superfood Repair Oil, and it's just a cuticle oil. But basically, I'm going to put this on my nails and just massage that in, let it sit there, and I'm going to do this 2 times a day. And then probably 1 to 2 times a week, I'm going to also take an orange wood stick and gently push back my cuticles, again just using the cuticle oil. So yeah, I wanted to keep this routine really simple because honestly, your nails are going to grow by themselves anyways. You just want to make sure you're using cuticle oil regularly. And I'm not too picky about cuticle oil. This is just one that I already had. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing. I will keep you guys updated. And in the meantime, I am going to be giving my nails a break for at least another week, but I'm just going to be filming with my left hand instead. So you guys are still going to be getting some easy nail ideas for short nails, and I'm just going to learn how to be ambidextrous. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. You might be able to learn from my mistakes, even though I doubt anybody's doing dip powder like 3 times in a row like that. But anyways, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.